this portion of the video to Twitch. Again, twitch.tv/smAsho. Today's cosmology segment is quite interesting, actually, as are all of our cosmology segments. And again, there's a playlist of these at YouTube as well, youtube.com/smAshomash/playlists. You'll find over 150 videos in there. How about photons with monstrous energies coming from the galaxy's largest accelerator? Now, we've got some large accelerators, such as the Vela pulsar, the Crab pulsar, and other pulsars within the Milky Way galaxy. Some of these are accelerating protons to relativistic speeds, and when those protons smash into things, they create very, very high energy photons, known as Pevatrons. Yes. So photons with energies of about 200 tera electron volts, known as Pevatrons, are coming out of these clouds of dust. Are they coming directly from the accelerators? Well, not really. They appear to be coming from the accelerators in that the accelerators are blasting particles into other fields of gas, which are emitting these incredibly high energy photons. And that's what that article's about. And this particular one we're talking about is BDS 2003 is the source of that. You can see it on the imagery there. It's in a very bright spot there. And the pulsar is HAWC J1825-134, if you were wondering. How about some unusual flaring activity observed from the ultra-luminous X-ray source NGC 4559X7? So there's a very variable ultra-luminous X-ray source located in that galaxy. And that galaxy is pretty distant here. This one is located at a distance of, well, I have no idea, but I'm just going to let this article scroll as well. NGC 4559's X-ray source X7. So these kind of sources are less luminous than active galactic nuclei. And we're going to show you some imagery of NGC 4559 momentarily here. And the luminosity reached a maximum of about 60 duodecillion ergs. So the peak of the flares, the luminosity was a factor of 3 higher than the pre-flare luminosity. And if you want to read about that, that one is on phys.org as well in the Astronomy and Space section. There's nothing random about it. Here's NGC 4559. A quite lovely galaxy here. We're going to look at it in a few wavelengths. And check it out on Pan-STARRS. The detail is vast. And this extremely bright source here, this is some sort of a satellite galaxy. That's probably not X7, folks. And what we were originally showing was Galax. This is the UV spectrum. Great view of that. And let's show it on Chandra. Here is the Chandra X-ray telescope, and you can see that very bright X-ray source there. And the satellite galaxy probably has its poloidal field directed toward Earth. Otherwise, it wouldn't be so bright, as it is a small galaxy there. It could be a quasar in the background, too, but I think that is a satellite galaxy. And last but not least, here is NGC 4559 in the 2-mass infrared light. Fantastic view there of Galaxy 4559. And that's today's cosmology segment. We streamed this live to Twitch. And Twitch viewers, please consider becoming a patron if you want to see the daily space weather videos on time. Thanks to everybody else who tunes in. And that's today's cosmology segment.